We landed around 7 o'clock, February 10th, in the middle of the winter. And of course, unknown to us, there were reporters waiting. So when we were getting off the plane, the stewardess came and told us we have to wait to be the last, because they already knew. You know, and that I'm thinking, that doesn't sound good. And sure enough, we get off the plane, and you know, there is my mother, my stepfather, and a bunch of photographers, and then they drag us into a room, and I had a press conference right off the bat. Yeah, I could answer questions, but I didn't understand what they were asking, so my stepfather had to translate for me.